How to use ChatGPT to improve communication and efficiency in your business. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can use ChatGPT to improve communication and efficiency in your business. ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot that can help you streamline your communication processes and save time. Here are some ways you can use ChatGPT to improve your business. First, you can use ChatGPT to automate your customer support. ChatGPT can answer frequently asked questions, provide product information, and even troubleshoot issues. This can save your team a lot of time and allow them to focus on more complex tasks. Second, you can use ChatGPT to improve your internal communication. ChatGPT can help you schedule meetings, send reminders, and even take notes during meetings. This can help your team stay organized and on track. Third, you can use ChatGPT to improve your project management. ChatGPT can help you assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress. This can help your team stay on top of their work and ensure that projects are completed on time. Finally, you can use ChatGPT to improve your marketing efforts. ChatGPT can help you create social media posts, write blog articles, and even come up with marketing campaigns. This can help you save time and ensure that your marketing efforts are effective. So there you have it, folks. Those are just a few ways you can use ChatGPT to improve communication and efficiency in your business. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to check out their website. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.